Torpedo tubes are cylindrical storage spaces found on submarines that are used for torpedo storage and launch. These tubes are normally found in the front or back halves of the submarine, respectively. Torpedoes are put into the torpedo tubes of the submarine using either internal or exterior loading mechanisms. The procedure includes precisely positioning and fastening the torpedo in the tube to make sure it is prepared for launching. Usually, torpedoes are kept already in the tubes to make attacking fast. Once it has been decided that an enemy has been found to fire a torpedo at, there is a tank of water inside the submarine that pumps water inside the torpedo tube, and then a valve between the submarine and the seawater to make sure the pressure is about the same. The purpose of this is that when the front door is opened, the torpedo can freely enter the water without any trouble, as you have artificially created a small pocket in the torpedo tube of water that is the same as the seawater. When the torpedo tube is filling with water, a valve at the top of the tube allows the air that was in the tube to simply escape, escaping merely into the cabin area of the submarine where the men are. It's very important that a bubble does not escape into the sea and rise to the surface, giving away the position of the submarine. After this, to fire the torpedo, the front door part is opened, and then a water pump inside the submarine forces water at a high pressure behind the torpedo to send it out into the water. To prepare for a possible next firing, the front door then closes, and the water is drained out of the torpedo tube into a drain tank, which is connected to the flood tank. Obviously, air must get back into the torpedo tube to fill the space, so another valve in the torpedo tube allows the air from the internal submarine space to go back into the torpedo tube. From here, the men can open the back door, called breech, and load another torpedo in, and then it all repeats again from point 2 onward. The process is identical between nuclear and non-nuclear submarines, because the only difference between nuclear and non-nuclear submarines is what is powering the submarine. It has nothing to do with the torpedo or workings of anything else.